This morning, I would expect the transition committee will be say Edo State that they put up for the incoming government and for the outgoing government. Make una not forget say last week Friday, now they do the inaugural meeting where they just set up agenda ahead of their meeting, and they come promise Edo people, promise Nigeria people say by on Monday, which was yesterday, October 21st to 25th, they go hold daily meeting between 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock. As at that yesterday, 21st, we can't get information say the meeting don't postpone till 22nd, which is today, Tuesday, by 10 o'clock. Before 10 o'clock, TMC TV radio don't turn down for this place. We can discover say one side of the hall empty, and the other side of the hall, where we say they come from the government side. God do not say government where they carry waka, carry kaya, they waka come on. So there's dig the bar for the hall. We can't see the chairman from their own end will lead the 23 members come here, whether they call Mr. Joseph Ebegbe will be the president SSG for the state, internal Gidigba for this place. Then the head of service, Barrister Okungbawa, he put body for the place. We can't see some commissioners like Isoke Omo, the permanent secretary, Ifweko Alufokai, internal for this place. Other permanent secretaries, they join body with these people. We carry other directors from their different ministries and heads of MDAs, they turn out for this place. And we can't get surprised at 10 o'clock. The other side where they represent APC and the government where they come, they're not in this place. We can't begin to wonder, and we can't put here down, because they hear, say some documents where they promise them, said it go they available, then discover say never they available. They don't try to reach each other, but the documents never they available. So we can't tell that for here since reach 1 o'clock, and we can't get information say the Okpebolo has this, that they hold meeting for somewhere. Where be say their chairman, Dr. Pius Odubo, will be the chairman for that angle, the former deputy governor of Edo State, Tada Gidigba for the meeting to host other members for that side on how to deliberate for the same meeting where they talk about what and for John Odige Oyegu Center. They will come carry waka, come go meet them exactly 1 o'clock. Come here, go look for whether they hold the meeting to hear their own side. Why they not did this place? Come say that they meeting. After the meeting, the secretary to that committee for the transition, whether they call Honorable Patrick Iharali, come put mouth for Tory people, come tell them, say, see the reason why it be like this. We go say, make we bring them, make una begin listening to her. We call them for them to respond to us why they not did this meeting. And what region will come and say they did the meeting, they come chook mouth for the matter.
There is nothing going on other than the fact that we have had an inaugural meeting. The center you just visited. And the issue is that we have had a series of discussions with the transition committee on the side of the outgoing government. And we made our position very clear. We wrote to request for certain documents from them that will enable us to have a meaningful and informed meetings and deliberations and discussions, as the case may be. Unfortunately, the nature of documents that we have been supplied with has not addressed any of the issues that we wanted them to address. And we have had interface, both verbal and written, with the relevant officers of government, including the SSG. And we reached an agreement as at yesterday that we are going to do exactly what we asked for, because what they have supplied us at best has not addressed the issue substantially in any form. And we had expected by this morning that would be done. We discussed this morning, he called me, we spoke on phone. When I saw his message that they were having the meeting will be ongoing today, I said no. We had earlier on agreed that the documents so far supplied to us, none of the issues we raised have been addressed. For us to have a meaningful and informed discussion, we need a better set of documents that will address the issues we have raised. And that is where we are. And we have agreed that this morning that he was going to discuss with His Excellency the Governor and get back to us. So I'm taken aback to be told that you went to the center and they were there, we were not there. As you came here, like I told him earlier on, that we at this level were having a meeting this morning to review the discussions I had with him yesterday, which was to the effect that better information and documents to be supplied to us that will enable us to do the job we're supposed to do. And in any case, the information or documents we're asking for is in line with global best practices. It's not novel. We're not asking for anything out of the ordinary. So it is on record that we have done the needful. But as you speak, we have, a letter is, being sent to them now to the effect that we do hope that what we have discussed and agreed on as at yesterday, will be executed for us to, progress and have the joint meetings we are supposed to have. And that is the position. So there is nothing like staying away from the meeting that we are supposed to have. I'm sure if you see the SSG, he will confirm the fact that we are waiting for him to reach out to the governor, like he said, to know the next line of action to take as to how and when they are giving us the information. And we have also, as a committee, said, whatever document or information you want to give to us, you must give it to us at least 24 hours before the meeting time to enable us look through it, peruse, and have informed, position to discuss, so that we don't go there and be discussing in abstract or discussing things that are not relevant to the subject matter of the day. So these, I believe, we have, agreed on both sides. So you're going there this morning, maybe you don't know, but it's not like, were you told by anybody that we avoided coming?
No.
So that couldn't be the case. So we are working, and I believe that they are working on their terms. So hopefully, if today, tomorrow, we get what we require, we'll reconvene and do the needful. That's it. Why do you assume we will not get what we require? So don't put the cart before the horse. So for every situation, until you have a situation, you probably do not provide solution to it. So we do hope that they will do the needful and will do what we are supposed to do. So I believe that is the position we are. But if for any reason, maybe you are speaking from a informed position that I don't know, have you known, or are you in the picture that they are not going to comply, or they are not going to give us the detailed information, specific question? Okay, so be it. Thank you very much.
TMC TV radio still remain the Ogboga station where they're online. We still carry the updates going to give you now. We don't go that place, we don't come back. We don't go meet there for the office of the chairman, we lead APC and where will the team come, where they call Dr. Pius Odubu, the former deputy governor of Edo State. We come to say they just the end the meeting. And it can't reach the time where we say the secretary of the committee from their end, where they call Honorable Patrick Iharele, took mouth for how the outcome of the meeting and the reason why they said they not come the Tuesday meeting where make us stand that since he can't took mouth. He can't talk say so many things don't they happen, not be saying a quarrel, not be saying anything. That he gets some documents where he say then they expect from state government and their team, and those documents never begin come, it never reach them. And when I may not still forget say, as of last week Friday, they tell the same they go carry the matter come on for online matter where they call soft copy. Made them make up to hard copy, made them put up for table, made them take the matter from that place. And now we come observe from the meeting. When it be say we go join them, observe, come find out say now the documents were never complete for them. To make them dey belleful gidigba, say, okay, it don't reach for us to begin sit down to the whole meeting together and to begin take them one by one according to the way they get the plan to be. Now those documents, now it delay them since we say they not come the Tuesday meeting. We will turn up this morning. And make una not forget, say this one a democracy. And waiting better for Edo people, waiting go lead Edo people to the where they say everybody for Edo State not go feel bad. That we all they look for. And when it don't begin be like this, we come make sure, say we understand, say, quarrel not there among them. We don't hear one information last week say because of sitting allowance where we say they not put for their matter and make them one boycott with the whole thing. And the Chris where be information where they carry information for government come tell Niger people tell Edo people say no, not be true. That where that message come from, that very wrong angle. That never a time APC and their people ask for such and nothing like that they happen. And we come observe say quarrel not this matter and just say documents never complete where go back up their meeting where we say they go to do meeting well and the Harale don't open man, don't make everybody understand say nothing they happen and the documents will never come. Now it make them still get delay for this whole matter. Make you not forget say my name still remain Articulate Petro for TMC TV and radio. Now where we put body, now we they bring now the Ogbonge Tori where we say if we not get the fake one for us side, we go help the repairer to make una get the truth. But we must give una the latest where we say una 1 year, we don't understand. And make una not forget to take our TMC TV on Facebook page. Make una not forget to follow us. Make una not also forget to take our subscribe button for TMC TV for YouTube and take the notification button. When you go knock it back on, we go make you understand. Say we don't post the latest or with the day live broadcast for everybody to understand what we they do. As we see them, that's what we they talk them. We know they take blame. Thank you very much.